People now are happy doing what we tell them to do. Not push anymore, but a factor. But very important, they also feel proud doing what they do. I mean, a simple job, like, a dirty job, not a simple job. Dirty job like cleaning of toilets, many people wouldn't want to do it. But we make it like into something where people have to respect them. Because they are the one who is walking the extra mile to help keep the toilet clean for everybody to use. Now, he felt respected, he felt recognized, and he felt appreciated, of course, rewarded. And this is what we always do. We celebrate all these things. We don't make it look like it's something very dirty, demeaning, or down. But something that people are happy doing it. And not only that, from here, then we go to other things. For example, forklift drivers. We use that anybody hops on the forklift, drive and go around. I mean, Formula 1, you get more experience and things like that. So these are all learning curve again, and we change all that. We change now, we have dedicated forklift driver, dedicated reach truck drivers. And if, for example, I'm in charge of the forklift, and I lend my forklift to you to drive, and you cause an accident, I will be responsible for your actions because I allow you to drive, because you are not one of those dedicated or authorized person to do it. So again, it goes down the line. It goes into discipline, and with discipline, I always make it clear to my team, without discipline, you can put any job. Whatever job you put in place will not work. You must have discipline in place for people to want to follow and understanding why they're doing what they're doing again. It's actually ongoing already, not in the future. We actually wanted to go green. Going green, you see, Malaysia had heavy rain. So what we did was, we started, again, whatever we do, we always start small. We had all this big water tank in all the four corners of the factory, where we collect rainwater from the gutter to do cleaning and washing. You see, in a factory, we mop it, we don't sweep, we mop it at least 3 times a day. That's why all our factory floors are very clean, including the warehouse. And rather than using the municipal water to clean it like that, I decided to have all this investment where we collect the rainwater to mop and clean. And seeing the effectiveness, then I made it into toilet flushing. I diverted rainwater into all the additional drum. For the 4 factory toilets, we had another 4 more big tank where rainwater is diverted into it. And when you have the dry weather, for example, then the government water will come into place. When I did that, my people asked me, say, boss, why are you investing in water? Water is so cheap in Malaysia. Why are you doing all this? He was trying to tell me the return on investment is not there. I said, very good question. First of all, I'm not looking at cost of water. I'm looking at resources. Water is a very important resource. When the well is dry, people will know the worth of water. I said, so this is very important. And sure enough, during the dry spell, we were happier because we had the 4 extra tanks. But more importantly, I want my people to get the right mindset going green. So look at resources, don't look at cost. The other thing we're doing is, which we did, was that we changed all our forklift and all our reach truck from gas to electric. New investment, new setup, new everything, but to me, this is a long-term investment. You want to walk the talk, you have to walk the talk. You cannot just pay lip service. The third thing we're going to do, which will involve about 300,000 ringgit worth of investment, will be LED lighting. We are going to equip our whole factory, including our office and every department with LED lights. So we're working on the cost, to see how we're going to do it so that the production will not be obstructed, will not be interrupted. And then the transition will be smooth. Again, this is what we do. People are talking about electric machines now, but we invested in full electric machine way back in 2007, 7 years ago. And by now, in fact last year, all our machines, electric machines were fully paid for. It saves 40% electricity, it's a higher precision, and has shorter cycle time. So people are talking about how we invested back then. Because to me, it's moving in, following the trend, and everybody knows utility costs can only go up. But yet I'm surprised that people didn't act on it. We brought in 26 units of electric machine over a period of time to complement our existing hydraulic machine. And then we also bought other machines, injection molding machines, which has inverters, which is energy saving. You see, again, this has helped us to control and manage our costs, and why we are able to maintain good quality, on-time delivery, and competitive pricing, despite all the investment. We look at it from the other perspective, and not just like cost, and cost.